My name is Matt Burke. I'm CEO and founder of Verivest Fund Services. The role we play is providing advisory and administration support to real estate fund managers. So anyone who is raising money from retail investors and acquiring real estate or making loans against real estate and wants to operate a pooled investment fund, we provide advisory and administrative back office support for those types of managers. Yeah, I think in our sector of the industry, one of the biggest trends is there's a increasing proliferation of capital that is coming out of the retail sector. So as opposed to institutional investors who've long been the source of real estate capital, you're seeing more and more capital coming from retail investors. So that trend will mean increased amount of technology and so forth from the managers in order to be able to provide the transparency, the communication that those investors will need. So I see that being a big trend, and our support would be supporting those managers who are raising capital from that particular group and professionalizing their operations. There's a lot of dislocation in the industry, a lot of distress as a hangover from the 2021-22 interest rate increases. That has caused a great deal of pain for a lot of folks in the industry. Capital formation is very difficult still. So I think that one of the biggest challenges in the industry will continue to be forming capital. But I do think that dislocation, you'll start to see additional transaction volume, and that should lead to an uptick in the cyclical nature of real estate here over the next few years. So how we're dealing with it is just we've always focused really on the retail side, so there to support these mid-sized managers as the market kind of comes back from some of the challenges it's had the last few years. I think the opportunity is, I would answer it very similarly. The opportunity for the mid-sized manager is taking advantage of the availability of retail capital. Many of the intermediaries and financial planners, wealth managers, and so forth have an increasing appetite to place some portion of their clients' money into alternative investments. So that trend continues to drive capital into the private markets. I think that will benefit and be a big opportunity over the course of the next 2 years. Yeah, there's just so many practitioners. I mean, it's real world, talking to lots of people who are in different segments of the market, really getting to meet a very large number of people who are actively involved in different segments of the market. It's just, it's no ivory tower stuff. It's on the streets, real world, figuring out what people are doing and being able to meet people. Of course, the networking is always, kind of the top thing, but and it's a fun time to come and hang out with real estate people.